Hi, this is Winley620 back with another video, and today is my unboxing of the Snowball iCE. I'm really excited to get the Snowball iCE. If you heard from my reviews and all of that, my microphone quality isn't too bad, but it's lacking. You know, it's not like it's not very good. Sometimes you may be able to hear some hiss, and with the Snowball iCE, I hope I can change that. So yeah, let's not talk about much and let's start with the unboxing, shall we? Should be the stand. Yeah, there's the USB cable. It's a rubber, clear looking USB-B to USB-A cable. And in here, we also have the tripod. So here we got the tripod. People were saying that this thing was pretty bad, but right now, like, even though it may not be the best of tripods, one thing that is good is the feel of it. It's metal. It feels really nice. It actually feels something premium, even though the usage quality of it may not be as good. There we go. And here we have the mic itself, which feels very premium. It's very hefty, feels nice and durable. The sides are plastic, but they feel nice, and the grill part and all this, it feels real premium. Inside, it is foam padded inside the grill. So, and on the bottom, that's, I think, a 5/8 inch thread, and there's the USB port. So the mic feels pretty premium. The USB cable also looks very nice. It's not nylon braided or anything, but feels thick and durable, just like every single part of this mic. Even though the tripod is pretty terrible, but it feels premium. I mean, all of this is metal. This also feels very durable, premium. It's felt like a tank, honestly. So I believe the mic, the ball can pivot. There we go. So the mic can pivot up and down. Probably not in left and right. Yeah, it's up and down. It is not the most generous, but definitely adequate for most recording situations, so it's probably gonna be good. And the USB port, I think this is the light. I think that is a light that turns on, but I'm not sure if I think it's an LED light that turns on anyway. And yeah, so it's very simple to use. I mean, all you have to do is just plug in the USB port, plug in the USB cable, and onto the mic, and then the USB-A and onto the computer. So it's pretty easy to use, and I'm going to do a quick test of the microphone quality right now. So this is just a quick mic test of the mic. It sounds really nice. Definitely not the best sounding thing in the world. It will definitely need some playing around with, but here I am just being pretty quick and just quickly plugging and playing with the mic. I haven't done any sort of acoustic treatment here, or any pseudo acoustic treatment here. It sounds really, really nice. It definitely blocks out a lot of the background noise. It's not recording a lot. You can hear that it's very clear. There's practically zero hiss, which is really, really nice. The levels are pretty nice. I've set it at like 35 gain, 35%, which isn't that bad. I am pretty close to the mic though, so keep that in mind. If I move farther away, it will sound like this. And when I move closer, it will sound like this. This is me very close to the mic, it basically eating the microphone here. So, and now I'm at a more kind of standard, range, and it really does sound nice. Definitely, again, not the best sounding thing, but definitely solid. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you liked it, subscribe for more content, and comment down below what you think. So, yeah, I think this mic sounds pretty good, and I am going to be doing a few review on it to give my more, full opinion. Right now I'm just testing with it, and it does sound solid, but I'll be testing it more in the future and see if it really, is as good as it was here. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and, I'll see you next time. Bye.